Hi, who's it calling? It's Stephen Long, thank you. Will they know what the call's about? Yeah, they should do. Thank you. Um, where are you calling from? Oh, the Influence Academy. Thank you. Put me through. Now, I'm speaking as somebody who did £800,000 of recruitment business where every single candidate and every single client was generated from a cold call in one way or another. The Penfold Technique, named after one of my colleagues who looked like a character on a Danger Mouse, is one of the best ways I know to get past the gatekeeper, to get past that, oh, well, they know what the call's regarding sequence that we always get into. It's a way of just closing off the conversation with the person that you don't want to speak to and getting through to the person that you do want to speak to. It's really simple. You just finish every sentence, every answer with the words, thank you. Who's it calling? Stephen Long, thank you. Where are you calling from? The Influence Academy, thank you. Will they know what the call's about? Yeah, they should do. Thank you. It's weird, it's simple, it works, and here's a really spooky thing. I'm a very well-trained psychologist and I've got no idea why it works, but I've tried it thousands of times and my colleagues and the 50-odd thousand recruitment consultants I've trained have done it and it works. Try it. It will work for you.